In a sunny house in Mexico, Favi called out, "Where did it go?" Lucia held one purple sock, but the other lost. A total shock, Sophia gasped, "Not again." It vanished like it did back then. Favi smiled and tapped her chin. "Looks like the mystery's back again." Were it's the case of the missing sock. Search the closet, check the clock, near the chair. The sock is hiding somewhere. Magnifying glass is out. Let's solve this mystery without a doubt. With Favi here and seeing work too, there's nothing we can't do. They looked beneath the table fast, behind the vase, beside the glass. A trail of fluff gave them a clue, straight to where the puppy flew. Lucia said, "I see the tail." Sophia squealed, "It's on the trail." They tiptoed slow like sneaky spies, then burst out laughing at what they'd find. But it's the case of the missing sock. Check the laundry, check the clock. One was clean, the other gone, but teamwork kept them moving on. They found a pile behind the bed with socks the puppy loved instead. With Favi's cheer and laughter too, they solved the mystery. Woohoo! Sometimes things go out of place. We slow it down, we check with grace. When we help and stay aware, we find our socks and show we care. It's the case of the missing sock. We solved it, tick-tock, tick-tock. With clever hearts and happy feet, the dynamic duo can't be beat. Now all the socks are back in pairs, more hiding under chairs. In Mexico with 42, every day's a fun breakthrough.